What is it? Let me see.
Oh yeah.
I really wanted this.
Really? Did you tell Santa Claus that's what you wanted?
Yeah.
Wow.
Big
A
wink.
brand new one in a box. Awesome.
Let me see the front of him. Show me. Cool.
Oh yeah.
Cool, cool.
Oh.
Hey.
Wow.
Go get another one, man.
Open something else. Open something else.
What's that?
I don't know.
What is that?
What is it? You love it? Cool Santa Claus. Go get another one.
Okay.
Awesome.
What is this?
I don't know.
No.
Huh? What is it?
Hey.
Did you want that? Yeah? No?
Yeah, I said.
Wow, now you got Buzz and Jesse.
Do I got white?
I don't know, Chris. I'm not Santa Claus, Shava. You gotta open everything and check.
Is this white?
Hey, can you back up a little bit? I can't really see you. Big touch now. Is it?
Yes!
It is Woody.
Oh shit! You got Buzz, Jesse, and Woody.
Oh yeah.
You got all the Toy Story guys.
Pull the string. Pull the string.
Here.
Boy, am I glad to see you.
Boy, he's glad to see you.
My name's Sheriff Woody.
Wow.
Come on, partner. Time to saddle up for adventure.
Awesome.
Hey, look.
Her don't do nothing. Only Buzz and Woody talks.
More. Open the board. Open the board.
Okay. Is this one? Mom, is this one mine?
Yes, all those ones are yours. I wrapped those ones for Papa and Mommy last night. Santa Claus bring you all those ones. What is that?
Oh. It's the big yogurt!
Oh yeah. That's the big Joker.
Wow.
Cool.
And it comes with this.
Oh, you still got 3 more toys.
3 more toys, man.
Santa Claus is cool. He got you a lot of stuff.
Dad, I didn't know you was going to buy me this for Christmas.
He didn't buy you it, Chava. Santa Claus did. Bravo. He's gonna act on his other thing. Go, open it. Open it. Hurry up. What's that?
I don't know.
Scooby, stop biting my hand.
Is it another one?
No.
Dad, look, it's another one.
What is that? What's that one?
It's another one.
What
Dad,
kind?
an Iron Man.
Oh yeah, man. That's cool.
You like
Oh,
it?
guys, I got all of them.
Can you open up the big box now?
I'll open up this one now.
Okay.
What is this?
What is it?
It's a penguin!
Penguin. Oh yeah. She got Mr. Freeze Joker, and the Penguin.
Wow, and we got Batman and the other guy in the back. That's cool.
Move on or stuff.
Go. Last toy, man. Oh shit, it's making noise.
Wait.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
What's making noise?
Oi, I can't wait for you to open it. What is that? Whoa!
Oh, man.
You like that?
Yes, Santa Claus found this from Walmart.
Oh, really?
Open it.
Hurry up, open the rest. Do you like all your stuff?
Yeah.
You like your Bumblebee bicycle?
Yeah.
All right, say Merry Christmas. Chris, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And did you see your puppy too? Look, we got you this puppy. He's for Christmas too. Okay.
Tracy, come here. Bring that over here.